In an age when almost anything can be filmed for entertainment purposes, Sandra Lee appears to have a stronghold on the dermatology business. Dr. Pimple Popper is one of TLC's most popular shows, with millions of viewers tuning in each week to watch Lee dissect and extract skin. Still, there's a fascinating story behind how Lee got her start in medicine and became a pop culture personality. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. How did Sandra Lee get started in dermatology? Lee was born in New York City in 1970. Lee's father was a dermatologist who immigrated to the United States with her mother from China. Lee's parents moved to California when she was 5 years old. Lee developed an interest in her father's business at a young age and decided to pursue a career in medicine. She attended the University of California, Los Angeles, and worked as an assistant for an allergist before going on to medical school. Lee moved to San Diego after graduation to focus entirely on dermatological and cosmetic surgery. Lee has years of experience as a board-certified dermatologist who has helped people from all around the world. She belongs to a number of professional groups, including the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery. Lee is particularly passionate about Mohs micrographic skin cancer surgery, tumescent neck and body liposuction, eye lifts, and laser resurfacing. She has contributed her knowledge and skills to a number of clinical research over the years, as well as giving hundreds of talks at skincare and dermatology summits and conferences. Lee began uploading footage of skin extractions on her YouTube account around the year 2010. Thousands of subscribers watched and commented on some of the crazy extractions she did, but it wasn't until 5 years later that her channel really took off. She also came up with the nickname, Dr. Pimple Popper, which she used on her YouTube channel and other social media platforms. She does post other content, focusing on some more obscure elements of dermatology, in addition to her extraction videos, which are extremely popular. In the end, it appears that Lee's purpose is to educate as well as entertain, and to help people with a variety of skin conditions understand better what is going on beneath their skin surface. Lee also has her own skincare brand, which she curates. She says in an open letter on her product website that she spotted something missing in the world of skincare, and that visiting a dermatologist's office to address skin concerns isn't an option for many people. As a result, she designed her line to assist people of various income groups in achieving their skincare goals. Spot treatments, cleaning wipes, powdered sunscreen, and entire skincare systems are all part of her product line. The truth about Dr. Pimple Popper's family. Dr. Pimple Popper is married to Dr. Jeffrey Rebish, another dermatologist, according to Women's Health. They have 2 boys as well. The 2 boys are Irish twins. Despite her willingness to offer her dermatology abilities on reality TV and social media, Dr. Sandra Lee does not like to share her family. There are few photos of her sons on the internet, and the ones that do exist are mostly back-facing or from when they were much younger. Lee and Rebish are not only husband and wife, but also business partners. Together we took over her father's firm, and we've been working in our Upland office, running the business as partners, while raising a family, ever since, Rebish said. Sandra Lee has proven to be a force to be reckoned with on multiple levels, and she is deeply committed to both dermatology and entertainment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.